So today we're going to use the ARB tire deflator here. We're going to deflate the tires down to about 5 psi, and then we're going to test out this new ARB portable twin compressor kit. I'm interested to see how long it takes to air up these 40s, and also interested to just see how loud it is and that sort of thing. So we're going to start here first by screwing on the tire deflator. So you screw this part down onto the valve. And you can see I can easily do this with one hand. You grab the stem, valve stem core. Alright, so we're down at about 5 psi now, so we're going to go ahead and take this off and hook up the compressor and see how long it takes to get it all aired up to about 50 psi. So that's how long it took to fill the tank, about 20-25 seconds or so. Let's see how long it takes to fill the actual tire here. So we're going to go ahead and start the timer here. So there you have it, 6 minutes, 20 seconds to fill up a 40-inch by 13.5 tire from 5 psi to 50 psi. That's with the portable ARB twin compressor with air tank. I will say that 45 psi in a tire this size in that amount of time is actually fairly good when you compare it to some of the other options out there that don't really come close. I thought about doing the under the hood install with this compressor, but I couldn't find a good mount that seemed to integrate easily on my vehicle, so I decided to go with the portable system. This also allows me to take it into other people's vehicles if I'm not driving my own, or if a vehicle is somewhere where it's hard for me to get beside them, I can just take this portable kit and still be able to air them up and assist them as well. Interested to know your thoughts in the comments. Leave some comments below, and until next time, thanks for watching.